Hi everyone, my name is Mio Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Fazil. I am from DKM 1A.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Sabzul bin Muhammad Aziz from class DKM 1A.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Muhammad Faris Azri, Muhammad Fairuz, from DKM 1A. Okay, today we are going to talk about workplace environment and ergonomics. So let's go move on to the introduction. Workplace environment. The setting in which work takes place, including physical, social, and psychological factors that influence employee well-being and productivity. Ergonomics. The science of designing workspace, tools, and tasks to fit human capabilities, aiming to enhance efficiency, comfort, and safety in the workplace.
Indoor air quality and respiratory level has an impact on welding. Indoor air quality impact. The welding operation contribute to the release of welding fumes and pollution, potentially affecting the indoor air quality within the workshop. Respiratory health effect. Workers in this environment may be at risk of respiratory issues due to exposure to welding fume and metal oxides, leading to conditions such as welding fume and particulate matter inhalation. Inhaling welding fume and particulate matter, which consists of metal particles and gases, can irritate the respiratory system and pose health risks. Lightning sightedness in machine situation. In a machining workshop, work process in a crucial various process like mining, light operation, and fine metal work are performed. The current lighting setup is outdated, resulting in poor illumination of work areas. Solution: upgraded lighting system. Install modern energy efficient lighting system, including task lighting for specific workstation to provide uniform and bright illumination. Temperature and humidity in welding. Impact. Welding operation can be affected by temperature vibration. Extreme temperature can impair cognitive function, concentration, and overall work performance. It may also can contribute to various health issues, including heat-related illness, dehydration, or respiration discomfort. Solution: climate control. Implement climate control system to maintain a consistent temperature within the welding workshop, creating optimal condition for welding process. Electrode storage. Provide proper storage solution for welding electrode to prevent moisture absorption, ensuring stable and reliable performance during welding operation.
Noise and hearing for machining. The use of machinery and cutting tools in machining process generates high decibel levels, potentially exceeding recommended occupational exposure limits. Workers in the machining workshop are exposed to prolonged periods of high noise, increasing the risk of noise-induced hearing loss over time. Solutions: provide workers with appropriate hearing protection, such as earmuff or earplugs, to reduce the impact of high noise levels on their hearing. Second, engineering controls. Implement engineering controls such as noise barriers, enclosures, or damping materials to reduce overall noise generated by machinery. Workplace health risks from using machine, tools, or other equipment in workshop. Accident or mishaps during machine operation, tool use, or equipment handling can result in physical injuries such as cuts, abrasion, crush injuries, or even amputation. Prevention: proper training, adherence to safety protocols, and the use of personal protective equipment can help prevent physical injuries. Noise-induced hearing loss. Prolonged exposure to loud machinery or tools without proper hearing protection can lead to noise-induced hearing loss. Prevention: providing and mandating the use of hearing protection, implementing engineering controls, and maintaining equipment to reduce noise levels. Respiratory issues. Operation like welding, grinding, or cutting can generate airborne particles or fumes, exposing workers to respiratory hazards. Prevention: proper ventilation, use respiratory protection, and regular monitoring of air quality can help prevention respiratory issues. Vibration-related disorders. Prolonged use of vibrating tools or equipment can lead to conditions like hand-arm vibration syndrome or whole-body vibration disorder. Prevention. Providing anti-vibration tools, regular equipment maintenance, and implementing job rotation to reduce prolonged exposure. Musculoskeletal disorders. Poor ergonomic, repetitive motions, or improper use of tools can contribute to musculoskeletal disorders such as sprains, and overuse injuries. Prevention. Implementing ergonomic workstation, providing a proper training on lifting techniques, and encouraging regular break can reduce the risk of musculoskeletal disorders. Chemical exposure. Handling of chemical exposure. Handling of chemicals or exposure to machine lubricants can lead to skin irritation, respiratory issues, or long-term health effects. Prevention. Providing appropriate personal protective equipment. Prevention. Providing appropriate personal protective equipment, implementing safe handling procedures, and ensuring proper ventilation. Electrical hazards. Improper use or maintenance of electrical tools and equipment can pose risk of electrical shocks, burn, or electrical fires. Prevention. Regular equipment inspection, employee training on electrical safety, and use tools with proper installation can mitigate electrical hazards.
Okay, factors that can contribute to accident. First, lack of proper training. Cause lack of proper training in a workshop can lead to insufficient knowledge about machinery, tools, and safety procedures. In fact, this lack of knowledge increases the likelihood of errors, mishandling equipment, and inadequate safety measures, which can result in accidents, injuries, and damage to both individual and equipment in the workshop. For the second, inadequate safety measure. Cause inadequate safety measures in a workshop may stem from a lack of awareness, negligence, or insufficient resources are allocated for safety protocols. In fact, the absence of proper safety measure increases the risk of accidents, injuries, and occupational hazard for workers. It can also lead to a decline in overall workplace morale and productivity as employees may feel uneasy or unsafe. Equipment malfunction. Cause equipment malfunction in a workshop can result from poor maintenance, wear and tear, or manufacturing defects. In fact, the malfunction equipment poses a significant risk of accident, injuries, and damage to materials. It can disrupt workflow, lead to costly repairs, and result in downtime. For the fourth, fatigue. Fatigue in a workshop can be caused by long working hours, inadequate breaks, insufficient rest, or physically demanding tasks. In fact, fatigue can impair concentration, slow reaction times, and decrease overall cognitive and physical performance. This increases the likelihood of accidents and error in the workshop. Distraction. Distraction in a workshop can result from various factors such as personal issues, lack of focus, or external disturbance. In fact, when workers are distracted, their attention shifts away from the task at hand, increasing the risk of accident and errors. This can lead to injuries, damaged equipment, and compromised work quality. Lack of ventilation. Lack of ventilation in a workshop may be due to poor design, inadequate ventilation system, or neglect of proper airflow consideration. In fact, without proper ventilation, workshop can accumulate airborne pollutants, fumes, and dust. This can lead to health issues for workers, including respiratory problems and discomfort. Lack of supervision. Completing practical tasks without supervision in a workshop can occur due to lack of available supervisors, inadequate monitoring system, or over-reliance on individual responsibility. In fact, without supervision, there is an increased risk of error, improper use of tool and equipment, and deviation from safety protocol. This can lead to accident, injuries, and suboptimal work quality. Okay. Solutions and opinion how to prevent accident in workshop. Comprehensive training. Ensure all workers receive thorough training on equipment operation, safety procedures, and emergency protocols. For number 2, regular equipment maintenance. Implement a routine maintenance schedule for tools and machinery to prevent malfunction and ensure optimal performance. 3, clear safety guidelines. Establish and communicate clear safety guidelines and protocols, emphasizing their importance in daily operation. Okay, number 4, supervision and monitoring. Provide adequate supervision, especially for complex tasks, and implement monitoring system to identify potential safety issues. 5, proper ventilation. Ensure good ventilation to reduce exposure to harmful fumes, dust, and pollutants, promoting a healthier work environment. 6. Schedule breaks. Implement regular breaks to prevent worker fatigue, enhance concentration, and maintain overall well-being. 7. Promote a safety culture. Encourage a culture of safety where all team members are actively involved in identifying and addressing potential hazards. 8. Emergency preparedness. Equip the workshop with proper emergency tools, first aid kits, and ensure everyone knows the emergency procedures. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.